How to delete YouTube Kids account. Want to remove a YouTube Kids account? Here's how you can delete it safely. So go ahead and open up YouTube, and then from here, go ahead and click on your profile, which you'd basically find at the bottom right, and then select the settings icon. So on the settings, go ahead and select Family Center. And then once you're on Family Center, you should find all of the connected accounts of your family members from here. So you can go ahead and click on that account that you want to delete and then select delete from there. And then once you reopen the YouTube Kids from your kid's device, you should find it signed out from the account and used as a guest. And that is how you can basically delete a YouTube Kids account.